In today's video, you're gonna learn how to create incredible images with AI. So let me show you a sample of the images that we can create with this new tool. As you can see, you can create images that are amazing, like from very realistic photos to fantastic characters that looks like this came out from a Pixar movie or something like that. These are amazing, like seriously guys. So anyways, let's go to the tool. Today we are using Leonardo.ai, and if you don't know Leonardo, this is an amazing tool that it was created, I think, to generate and create stunning game assets with the help of AI. As you can see here on the website, this is currently on a beta, so I seriously invite you to create an account, to sign up, so you will get access as soon as it's possible. I think it took me around a month to get access to this app. So now I'm here on my account, and this is the first page you will see. And from here, first you will get access to the different models that they have. As you can see here, they have, I think, more than 10 different models. These are like fine-tuned models because there are community models and you can create your own model as well. Then from here you can see some recent creations that you can filter by trending, new or top. And you can see that you can create from very realistic images, not only characters or persons. As you can see here, you can create an image of a photo shoot, like a food photo shoot or different things. So here in the left, you will see first, of course, Leonardo's logo. From here, you see that I have currently 117 tokens, and these tokens reset every day, every 24 hours. And with the free plan, you get 150 tokens, which I think it's a lot. Like, you can create a lot of images with 150 tokens. Of course, if you need, you can upgrade to a different plan. So you can see there are 3 paid plans. Of course, you get many tokens with these paid plans. But anyways, feel free to check the details. You're looking for an upgraded version. Then you get access to the community feed, which is the same gallery we were seeing in the homepage. From here, you get access to your personal feed. These are images that I have created. I have been testing this tool. Then you get this menu, which is for creating your own model. So from here, you can create a dataset and train it by uploading many images. So then you can ask your own model to create new images related to the one you have fed your dataset. And from here, you get access to all the models available. As I mentioned before, you get the platform models. You get access to community models, which are models created by other users. So as you can see here, there are many community models. Of course, your models, which I have not created my own model yet, and favorite models. Then we have this AI image generation menu, which is from here where you will create your images. Kind of hidden tool is this one, prompt generation. So from here, you can ask to Leonardo to improve your prompts. So here it's explained that if you need to create an image of a car, it's a way too simple prompt. So you can improve your prompt by asking Leonardo. So let's see what this does. I'm going to use the same example, car. And this will create 4 new ideas of prompts for us. And this is like free. It won't use any of your tokens, but you get up to 1,000 ideas. So as you can see here, it's a more specific prompt. And from here, you can click on generate and it will take you, probably will copy this prompt and paste it here. And last but not least, you get this AI canvas, which I haven't used yet, but I have read that you can create an image from here and mix it with others and compose your your own image in this canvas. So that's it, what you get here on this menu. And something I haven't mentioned yet, it's one of my favorite things about this tool, is that when you're on this gallery of images, let's say you saw something that you like, something that is similar to what you want to create, like this, you can click on it and it will give you all the details with this image was created. So here we have the prompt details. You can remix this image, which means that we will use the same settings. From here you can copy the prompt. You will see the negative prompt, which is also a great thing that Leonardo has. So here you can detail different keywords that the AI should consider to not include in the creation of your image. From here we can see the different aspects, the different settings used to create this. Like in this case, this was the model, the resolution, the date, etc. Of course, we can download it and share it. And from here we can create an image with the same model. So let's create our first image. So to do that, of course, we can select one of these models, or I could just click on AI image generation. So now we are in the AI generation tool, and as you can see here, you can type the prompt. In the second input, you can type your negative prompt, because in this case it's turned on. And here on the left, you can adjust all the settings. In this case, we will be generating 3 images. These are the dimensions that you can change, the aspect ratio, and these are our advanced settings that I honestly haven't tried yet. And here we can access some images I have created before. So let me copy paste the prompt I have. So in this case, well, let me show you. Let's see what this will create. It's a 3D render model of a teddy bear driving a motorcycle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this negative prompt that I have used in other images, and I'm just gonna paste them there. And one thing I have learned about Leonardo is that it works better when you're very specific in your prompt and in your negative prompt. It works much better if you give it a lot of details. So anyways, let's see what this does for us. And last thing, as you can see here, it says how many tokens we will use on this image. If I change this to 4, it changes to 7. I think if I change the image size, it changes as well. And as you can see here, if we create a smaller image, we can create up to 8 different images. But I'm gonna leave that just like that, and let's see what Leonardo creates. So now here, we just need to wait a moment. From my experience, this will take up to 20 seconds or maybe less. As you can see here, it's showing us the time. But yeah, it's very fast. So let's give it a moment. That was just 20 seconds. And let's see what it created. So that looks great. Look at that. That's a bit weird. Definitely not right. But I think this one is my favorite. And it looks great. So I don't know. Not realistic, but it looks very professional to me. So that's one way to create an image. And of course, if you click on it, you can download it, you can upscale it, do many other things with it. You can also from here remove the background. So then you could use it in this canvas that you get access to, or of course give it the use that you want. So let me go back to the home page, and in this case I'm going to create an image in a different way. So let's see another style, a different style. So what about something like maybe this, something more realistic? Let's see. Okay, let's work with this one. So what I'm going to do, and as already mentioned, from here you will get all the details, and you have this tool called Remix. So if you click on that, it will copy the prompt, the negative prompt, and all the settings used to create that image. As you can see, this is using a different model, which is called RP 4.0, and this is the prompt. Maybe we can adjust this a little bit. Let me, I don't know, add red here, lady, and I think that's it. That's the only change I'm going to make. So let's see what Leonardo creates. Again, here you get access to the creation process, and this should take around 20 or 30 seconds. It's very fast, and as you can see, it's amazing. This is incredibly realistic. It's a great image. You can download it, and it will open up so you can save it. And seriously, this looks great. It's amazing. So that's it, guys. This is Leonardo.ai. I seriously encourage you to go to the website and sign in to that beta, because, so you already mentioned, it's on a beta phase, so probably you won't get access immediately. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. And I would love if you like the video, share it, and of course, I truly appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.